Are you looking for a way to fit ice cream into your diet and macros without ruining it? Then have I got a treat for you. This ice cream cookie sandwich has 29 grams of protein, tastes amazing, chocolate chips, great flavor, and will not ruin your diet. Let's go. Let's start by adding 15 grams of coconut flour to a bowl, followed by 15 grams of protein powder, 7 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 15 grams of powdered sweetener, 2 grams of baking powder, and then whisking all our dry ingredients together to avoid clumping. Give it a good mix. And now let's add 100 grams of fat-free Greek yogurt, followed by 1 tablespoon of cold water. Once again, let's give that a nice mix until everything is properly incorporated and dissolved. Once you're done, get a baking tray, put some parchment paper on it. I like to fold it up. It makes it easier to stretch into the shape I want. And then we're going to spread out the batter into 2 even balls. And with the back of a wet spoon, we're going to make our cookie shapes. Make sure to flatten them out so they look like something on the screen. And as always, if you're enjoying this content, my friend, don't forget to like and subscribe. To this, we will add 15 grams of chocolate chips. And then we're going to bake it for 15 to 18 minutes at 350 F 180 C. Once your cookies are done baking, take them out, let them cool for anywhere between 25 to 30 minutes. The more the better. And then to this, you will want to add 100 grams of your favorite ice cream. I'm using this mint chocolate chip low calorie ice cream, which just makes it taste even better. Place the other half of your cookie on top and then press it down firmly to form your ice cream sandwich. And now for the macros, this bad boy has 29 grams of protein, 24 grams of carbs, 11 grams of fat, 334 calories. This is a great way to sneak some ice cream into your diet without ruining it or destroying your macros. And there you have it, my friend, the high protein ice cream sandwich. This is such a great treat, high in protein, a good way to enjoy the foods that you like without feeling like you're depriving yourself. As always, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to check out my other videos. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to keep putting out this great content. And as always, have a great day. Peace.